Hi, this is David Merrill with the group that was previously entitled Needing a Carey Student. Our new name is The Enthusiasts. The first thing that we wanted to do is explain the need. Specifically, our need that we are trying to fill is twofold. One, every business wants more customers. Particularly online businesses want more site traffic. They want more online customers. Usually, like I said, tracked by customers that visit their home pages, that are looking through their products. The next thing is that every internet surfer wants easier access to information, whether it's the company with the products that they're trying to find, or just news and information on the interests that they have. I think most people have, one or two pet interests or things that they like to, just waste time on the internet looking up or looking at. And so we want to capitalize on that idea. And so to do that, we want to create enthusiast group homepages, or homepages specifically targeted toward specific interest or enthusiast groups. In doing this, we hope to fulfill the need for that internet surfer to have easy access to the information that he wants, and at the same time provide a medium whereby we can sell advertising to the companies that want to target those specific interest groups. So the killer features of our product. Specifically for this end user, that we want it to be a one-stop shop. Right now I have interests that I look at things online and I spend tons of time searching different keywords through Google and looking through countless pages of search results to find the sites that I want to be able to look at, or the products that I want to find. We want this home page to be a clearinghouse of sorts of all of the companies, info, products, blogs, and other websites that you would want to visit or know about if you had that interest. And so it'll also be a place for people to learn from others in that similar interest community what other sites they would want to know about. On top of that, the next killer feature is that we are going to accentuate a suggest button. The tagline that we have here, and we may or may not use this, is built by the blank community for the blank community. And then you can fill in any interest group right there. And so we will strongly support and implement all suggestions of value, whether it be additional companies to put links on that page, links to take off of the page, or different layouts, color schemes, anything. And so it becomes, there becomes some user ownership, and we think that that is going to create a more viral solution that will grow naturally. The next thing we wanted to explain briefly was what Professor O'Neill talks about as the secret sauce. What is it that makes your idea defensible, that differentiates you from someone else being able to replicate what you've been able to create? And this isn't as strong as we'd like it to be, but particularly we think it will be very important to become a quick front runner, to have some momentum going so that it's difficult for any other player to catch up. The next thing is using good domain names that are catchy and simple, that once you've purchased can't be replicated. More than anything, our core competency is going to need to be a strong sales force, and then we also want to look into if there's possibly any legal protections that we can put in place to be able to protect the idea or concept. And then again, just like we talked about the killer features, we think that our big differentiator is going to be the suggest button and our willingness to implement those things. Finally, just a quick description of what we want this to be. other than a simple description on the top of the home page, it will simply be highly visual links, and the links will be the advertisement. And so, other than a quick description on the top of the page and the suggest button, everything else will be the advertisements or links. And they'll be grouped into categories. Again, like I said, this is going to be a growing model, and so whatever suggestions that we get from that community, we'll implement. And so it becomes what they want it to be, and that will be better than whatever we would create and try to force on the user anyhow. Hope this was informative, and I think we'll be posting again next week.